Hello students, in this video you will learn about very important rearrangement called as benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. In this rearrangement, the benzyl is converted into benzylic acid. Benzyl is converted into benzylic acid. It is benzylic acid rearrangement is base catalyze reaction. Okay, it is base catalyze reaction. In this benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement, the conversion of 1,2-ketone into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. Conversion of 1,2-diketone into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. Okay, or also this benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement is intramolecular rearrangement. Okay, so what happen in benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement? The base is used as an catalyst, that's why it is base catalyzed reaction. Or in this reaction, conversion of 1,2-diketone into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid, or it is intramolecular rearrangement. Okay, let's see statement of benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. When 1,2-diketone react with base followed by acidification to form alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid, this rearrangement is called as benzylic acid rearrangement. What happens? When 1,2-diketone react with base followed by acidification to form alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid, it's called as benzyl benzylic acid rearrangement. Okay, so let's see reaction. Okay, take any 1,2-diketone. Okay, so this is your this is your 1,2-diketone, or it is also called as benzyl or 1,2-diketone in presence of base followed by acidification. Take acid, it form this product. Okay, so this is benzylic acid. Okay, it is your benzyl. When benzyl is treated with base followed by acidification, it forms benzylic acid. Okay, let's see the mechanism of benzylic acid rearrangement. Okay, the mechanism is very simple. So this is your compound benzene. Okay, this is your base. Okay, the base act as an nucleophile in this reaction. Okay, so this OH minus from base is attack on carbonyl carbon. Okay, attack on carbonyl carbon, and this bond is break here and form this intermediate. Okay, so this is your OH, this is your, okay, it forms this compound intermediate. Okay, so what happen in next step, this electron transfer here, this electron is transfer here, and this aryl group migrate on second position, or you can say 1-2 shifting is take place, or migration is take place. So what happened, this aryl group is transferred to second carbonyl carbon, and this bond is break here. Okay, and form this compound. This is your, and form your compound. So what happened, this aryl group attach here. Next step is acidification is take place. So what happened in acidification, this H plus ion attack here and form your final compound. It is your OH. Okay, and form your final compound called as benzylic acid. Okay, benzylic acid. Okay. So what happened in this reaction, benzylic acid reaction? First of all, it is base catalyzed reaction, because base is used as an catalyst in this reaction. In this reaction, what happened, 1,2 diketone is converted into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. This reaction is intramolecular rearrangement reaction. Okay, so when 1,2 diketone is react with base followed by acidification to form alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid, this rearrangement is called as benzylic acid rearrangement. Let's see the reaction. Take any 1,2 diketone. So I will take benzyl in presence of base, so I will take NaOH, and acidification, it form benzylic acid. In mechanism, what happen, the nucleophile attack on carbonyl carbon and bond is break here, attack on carbonyl carbon and form this intermediate. In second step, what happen? This aryl group transfer to second carbonyl carbon, or you say 1,2 shifting or migration of aryl group, then followed by acidification. The benzylic acid formation is take place. Thank you.